The motor that changed everything. Tesla just flipped the script on electric motors. For years they've led the EV race, but this time, they've done something far more disruptive. Instead of tuning up an existing design, they've unveiled a motor so advanced it might just make everything else obsolete. And it can accelerate a 2-ton car to 60 miles per hour in 2 seconds. We first caught a glimpse of this motor at the Model S Plaid delivery event on June 10, 2021, when Elon Musk casually revealed a drive unit so compact one person can pick it up, yet powerful enough to launch a full-size sedan into supercar territory. At the heart of it is a rotor that's wrapped tightly in carbon fiber. It might not sound exciting at first, but the effect is massive. There's just never been an electric motor like this. I mean, you could pick this motor up with your hands. In traditional electric motors, the metal components swell under heat, wear down under pressure, and eventually break down. That's why they're capped in speed and longevity. Tesla tackled this by developing an in-house process that wraps carbon fiber around a copper rotor at extremely high tension. That outer sleeve locks everything in place, keeps the rotor permanently compressed, and preserves a micro-thin air gap between the rotor and stator, something that enhances efficiency and magnetic force in ways we've never seen before. Thanks to that breakthrough, this rotor stays stable at wild speeds. We're talking over 20,000 revolutions per minute, far beyond the 16,000 RPM point where most high-performance motors throw in the towel. Motor Trend verified these speeds during testing and confirmed that Tesla's new design runs nearly 25% faster than its previous generation, an unheard-of leap in electric motor engineering. What does that translate to? A motor that delivers more torque, stays cooler, weighs less, and endures more stress without wasting energy. This isn't an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of how EV motors should be built. The RPM is so crazy that just the centrifugal force wants to expand the rotor. And Tesla didn't stop at performance, they nailed production too. Each Model S Plaid carries 3 of these motors, producing a combined 1,020 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. Yet each motor is small enough for a single engineer to lift during assembly. An electric motor like this, I mean, you could pick this motor up with your hands. Even more impressive, during its March 2023 Investor Day, Tesla revealed that the next generation of these drive units will use 0 rare earth elements, require 75% less silicon carbide, and cost around $1,000 to manufacture, an industry-shaking figure. And the performance? Nothing short of staggering. 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. Yes, under 2 seconds. That makes it faster off the line than almost any car in history, including Bugattis and Lamborghinis. Independent testing clocked the Model S Plaid at 1.98 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour and just 9.25 seconds in the quarter mile. Top speed? A staggering 200 miles per hour once software limits were lifted. But it's not just fast, it's efficient. Older performance EVs burn through batteries like rocket fuel. This one doesn't. It channels power into motion with barely any loss. No oversized radiators or complex cooling systems needed, just clean, stable output. It's, dangerous. EPA data backs it up. On 21-inch wheels, the Model S Plaid is rated at 348 miles of range and a combined 101 mpg, or miles per gallon equivalent. That's about 334 watt-hours per mile, phenomenal for a car with over 1,000 horsepower. Even in the real world, the numbers hold. Inside EVs ran a highway range test at 70 miles per hour, and the Plaid still managed an even 300 miles on a single charge. That's proof this motor can deliver raw speed and long-range endurance in the same package. That solves one of the biggest headaches in EVs, the trade-off between power and range. Normally, the harder you drive, the faster your battery dies. But this motor changes that equation. Now you get both brutal speed and smart efficiency. No more choosing between performance and practicality. Tesla is giving you both and delivering it at scale. And thanks to the new design's simplicity, lower material needs, and reduced complexity, Tesla's cost to build each unit has dropped significantly. Whether they pass those savings to customers or keep the margin, the edge is theirs. When you push this far ahead, the rest don't just fall behind, they fall apart. From there, the expansion went west. In early 2022, Gigafactory Berlin opened its doors. Within just a few years, it hit 500,000 Model Y units produced. That means it's building nearly 5,000 vehicles every week, faster than Volkswagen's own electric car factory nearby. Back home in the US, Tesla turned Texas into a manufacturing powerhouse. The Gigafactory in Austin has already passed 400,000 vehicles built. It can now produce over 375,000 cars each year using massive casting machines called gigapresses that shape entire parts of the car frame in under 2 minutes. Between Austin and Tesla's original Fremont factory in California, Tesla now has nearly 1 million units of production capacity in the US alone. But Elon Musk isn't stopping there. In northern Mexico, Tesla has already secured land for a brand new gigafactory near Monterrey. Probably the most significant announcement of the day is that we're excited to announce that we're going to be building a gigafactory in Mexico. The plan? Invest up to $10 billion and create over 20,000 jobs. If all goes well, production could start as early as 2026. At the same time, Tesla is quietly setting up shop in entirely new parts of the world. In early 2024, the company opened its first location in South America, right in Santiago, Chile. It's more than a showroom, it's also a service center and supercharger hub. At the heart of it is a chip called D1. This isn't just another processor, it's packed with roughly 50 billion transistors and 354 cores, all crammed onto a piece of silicon made using TSMC's 7-nanometer process. But that's just the start. Tesla didn't stop at a single chip. They soldered 25 of these chips together into something called a training tile, a thin, pizza box-sized slab that acts like one giant processor. Each tile moves 36 terabytes of data every second and can perform around 9 petaflops of computation. That's mind-blowing power. With its own built-in cooling and energy system, put 6 tiles together and you get a tray. Add 2 trays and you get a cabinet. Stack 10 of those cabinets and you reach what Tesla calls an exapod, a computing monster with over 1 million cores, more than a terabyte of fast, on-tile memory, and performance that crosses the magical exaflop barrier, meaning it can handle 1 million billion calculations every second. Why does that matter? Because Tesla isn't training its cars using cartoons or computer simulations, it's training them using real video pulled from thousands of cars driving all over the world. When a Tesla encounters something strange on the road, a dog on a skateboard, a flipped truck, or a police officer waving traffic through, it records a short clip. That footage is sent back to Tesla, and Dojo uses it as training data. Engineers say Tesla's cars now collect about 1 million miles worth of new driving footage every hour. That kind of volume would overwhelm a normal data center, but Dojo was designed to handle exactly that. By moving data through its custom chip network in massive blocks, the more Dojo chips and tiles that are produced, the more affordable they become, cutting down on delay and energy waste. Because of how it's built, Dojo can train a new perception model in just a few days, something that might take other companies weeks. That lets Tesla roll out smarter full self-driving updates almost every 2 weeks. And while speed is impressive, cost might be even more important. Thanks to GPU shortages and sky-high prices, the cost of buying high-end chips like NVIDIA's H100 has gone through the roof. Elon Musk told investors that trying to keep up using those chips would be financially insane, so Tesla did the unthinkable and built its own silicon instead. They've already spent well over $1 billion on Dojo, and insiders suggest that number is climbing fast, especially now that a second exapod is coming online in Palo Alto. But that kind of spending doesn't scare Wall Street. In fact, Morgan Stanley analysts believe Dojo could unlock as much as $500 billion in future value. Dojo is a bespoke hardware platform that was designed from the ground up. Why? Because if Tesla can slash the cost of training its AI while owning every part of the system, it could eventually offer that power to others, launching an entirely new AI-as-a-service business. And because Dojo isn't locked into any one use, it could one day power far more than just autonomous cars. The same system that's helping cars recognize traffic lights could train Tesla's humanoid robots or optimize energy usage across its solar and battery networks. It's all built on the same flexible foundation. For most Tesla drivers, Dojo is invisible. They won't ever see the servers or feel the cooling fans. What they will notice is that their car just got better. Smoother turns, sharper reactions, fewer mistakes, sometimes overnight. That quiet improvement loop, made possible by a computer most people have never heard of, is what's really pushing Tesla ahead. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.